Hey guys, welcome to another video on how to fix Twitter search not working. So this is now called X, but don't worry, we've got your back. So let's dive right in. So the first fix involves a complete uninstall and reinstall of the Twitter app. So this can often clear up any glitches causing the search problem. So to get started, you'll just need to head over to your device settings and now scroll down a bit and tap on the apps. So you'll need to find manage apps, and from there you'll need to search for the app Twitter, or now commonly called X. So right after that, you'll just need to tap on it. Now click on storage, or you can just click on clear data and then proceed to clear all data. So you'll just need to confirm by hitting OK, and that's Twitter data out of the picture. And also, you can head back to the previous screen, and this time you could tap on uninstall. So just click on OK, and then your Twitter's off on your device. So right after, you could do a quick restart or reboot on your phone in order to refresh it. So once your device is up and running, hop over to Play Store. So you'll need to reinstall again Twitter. So you'll need to search in here X and then hit uninstall. If that didn't work, we'll head on to solution number two, and that is downloading an older version of the app. So sometimes those updates can be a bit naughty. But before we do anything else, let's say goodbye to the current version. So you'll just need to uninstall that one. And with that done, you'll need to head to your browser, find a link to download the site in the video description below. And once you're there, tap on the download link and then tap on download so that it would be fully downloaded in your app. Right after, just follow the prompts on installing the app. Here's another alternative for you. While you're waiting for your Twitter to get its act together, Twitter Lite comes to the rescue. It might not have all the bells and whistle, but it will keep you connected. Head back over to App Store, then install Twitter Lite, and that's it. So that's a wrap for today's tutorial, and I hope one of the solution has swept away your search woes. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.